Children, let's read long E sound. M, it, mit, mit. S, it, sit, sit. J, ip, jip, jip. W, ip, whip, whip. Tr, e, tree, tree. B, e, b, b. S, e, c, c. B, in, bin, bin. In, min, min. L, in, lin, lin. T, e, t, t. Z, e, c, c. P, e, p, p. L, ik, lick, lick. P, ik, pick, pick. Good job, children.